Hello friends, and I welcome you to Azure DP-201 certification course. I'm very delighted to have you join me in this journey. And in this course, I'm going to teach you all the skills required to clear DP-201 certification exam. Now, if you look at Azure Data Engineering Associate page, to get this certification, you need to clear two exams: implement an Azure data solution, that is DP-200, and designing an Azure data solution, that is DP-201. DP-200 exam is focused on how to implement data engineering technologies, like how to create them, how to manage them, how to use them, or how to configure them. And in DP-201, Microsoft expecting you to have a much deeper and mature understanding of these technologies. Microsoft expecting you to compare them and design best architecture by choosing the right service for particular given scenario or requirements. I have separate course on DP-200 exam, and in this course I cover all the basics for Azure data related services. So I'm expecting that you take DP-200 exam first before taking DP-201 exam, unless you have very good knowledge and experience on these technologies. So now let's take a look at the syllabus for DP-201 exam. So in this exam, majorly we have three different sections. The first is design Azure data storage solution, which covers 40 to 45% of the exam. And then we have data processing solution, which covers 25 to 30%. And then finally we have data security and compliance, which covers 25 to 30%. So if you look at the first section, this is very similar to the DP-200 exam. In this we will discuss about different data types and storage types. We will again take a look at blob storage, Cosmos DB and data lake, but from the design perspective. And again we have SQL Server and Synapse Analytics from design perspective. Similarly, in processing also we have the similar topics as DP-200. We have Azure Data Factory, Databricks, streaming services, and in this we have Azure Databricks from streaming perspective also. And of course all these technologies we will be look at from design perspective. Now in third module, if you remember, in DP-200 we had monitoring and optimization, but in DP-201 we have data security and compliance. And we will cover different topics, for example authentication mechanism using access keys and SaaS and Azure Active Directory. And we have other different security policies and standards like data encryption, auditing, privacy, classification, retention, and so on. So module 1 is very important. It covers 40 to 45% of exam, and module 2 and 3 are equally distributed in the exam. My name is Ishant Garg. I am Azure Architect and Advisor. I have around 15 years of experience working on Microsoft database technologies, and I will be instructing this course to you. This course I have recorded as a mix of lessons and labs. Even though there is no lab in the exam, but Microsoft may add lab in the future. Otherwise, in general also, we can best learn by doing. So it's good to have lab. Now, when we talk about intended audience here, anyone who wants to clear DP-201 exam, welcome into this course. Or anyone who wants to learn design and architecture of Azure data technologies can also take advantage of this course. Now, pre-request is once again is important. Please listen carefully. In this course, I'm not going to teach you basics of technology. For example, I'm not going to teach you how to create that service or how to manage that service. That we have already covered in DP-200 course. And I'm expecting you to have that knowledge before you continue this course. Of course, we have good overlap of syllabus and concepts between DP-200 and DP-201 syllabus. And there are many concepts and many lessons which I'm going to copy from DP-200 course because those concepts are important. And you may see questions based on those concepts in DP-201. So I have copied some lessons from DP-200. But in general, if you find yourself struggling with some of the concepts presenting here, I would suggest you to dive back into those topics into DP-200 exam and make sure you have the foundation to proceed DP-201 exam. And as I always do, I suggest you to please listen few sample videos before you purchase this course to make sure you understand my Indian accent and audio and video quality is clear to you. This course should have more than 8+ hours of content, and I will provide you more than enough practice questions and quizzes to appear for the exam. I will also give you the PPT, demo resources, study material, notes, and anything you require to clear DP-201 exam. This course has full lifetime access, so all future changes, you will have access to it. And at the end of this course, you will get the certification, whether you appear for DP-201 or not, but you will get the Udemy certification at the end of this course. And like all other Udemy courses, you have 30 days money back guarantee. If you do not like the course for whatever reason, you can return this course and you will get your money back. Alright, so I'm very happy and very excited to have you with me in this journey to clear DP-201 exam. Thank you.